Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect or pair PS5 controller to iPhone. For this video, I'll be connecting controller to iPhone 17 Pro, but process is same for other iPhone models. First of all, on your iPhone, open settings and then select Bluetooth and make sure it's on. I also recommend either it's on, toggle off and then toggle it on. After that, on your controller, press the PS button and create button available on the upper left side of the controller at the same time until these blue lights start blinking. This will enable pairing mode on the controller. Now if you take a look at Bluetooth under other device section, controller will appear with the name DualSense wireless controller. Tap on it and select it and wait until you see connected status. Congratulations, you have successfully paired PS5 controller to iPhone. Now you can use controller to play games on iPhone. I hope this helps. If you find it useful, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.